Welcome to my channel. What is cybersecurity? Today we are exploring one of the most important subjects in modern digital world, which is cybersecurity. Every day people connect to the internet to communicate, work, study, shop, bank or entertain themselves. Behind these conveniences lies a complex environment filled with opportunities and risks. Cybersecurity exists to protect individuals, businesses, and governments from those threats. Understanding cybersecurity is no longer optional. It is an essential life skill for anyone who uses a computer, smartphone, or internet connection. Cybersecurity refers to the practice of protecting digital systems, networks, devices, and data from unauthorized access, damage, theft, or disruption. I repeat, cybersecurity refers to the practice of protecting digital systems, networks, devices, and data from unauthorized access, damage, theft, or disruption. It combines technology, processes, policies, and human awareness to defend against cyber threats. In simple terms, cybersecurity helps ensure that your personal information stays private, your money remains safe, and your devices continue to function properly. Imagine leaving your home without locking the doors or windows. Yes, imagine leaving your home without locking the doors or windows. Anyone could walk in and take what belongs to you. The digital world works in a similar way. Without cybersecurity protections, cyber criminals can enter systems, steal information, or destroy valuable data. These criminals may operate individually or as organized groups, and their attacks can affect anyone from a student using a laptop to a multinational organization managing millions of customers. The importance of cybersecurity has increased rapidly because technology has become deeply integrated into daily life. Businesses store customer records online. Hospitals manage patient information digitally. Governments rely on computer systems to provide public services. Even household appliances are now connected to the internet. Each connection creates convenience, but it also creates potential vulnerabilities. Cyber threats come in many forms. One common example is malware, which refers to malicious software designed to harm or exploit devices. Malware can spy on users, steal passwords, or lock files until a ransom is paid. Another major threat is phishing, where attackers trick people into revealing sensitive information through fake emails or websites that appear legitimate. Social engineering attacks rely on human psychology rather than technical weaknesses, showing that cyber security is not only about machines but also about human behavior. Cyber criminals often target personal information because data has become extremely valuable. Names, phone numbers, passwords, banking details, and identity documents can be sold or used for fraud. Identity theft occurs when criminals pretend to be someone else in order to access financial resources or commit crimes. The emotional and financial consequences can be devastating for victims. Organizations face even larger risks. A successful cyber attack can shut down operations, damage reputations, and lead to massive financial losses. When customer data is exposed, trust can disappear overnight. Companies must therefore invest heavily in cybersecurity measures such as firewalls, encryption systems, and security monitoring tools. Encryption plays a central role in cybersecurity. It transforms readable information into coded data that can only be accessed with the correct key. When you send messages or complete online payments, encryption helps protect your information from interception. Without encryption, sensitive communications could easily be read by attackers. Another important concept is authentication. Authentication confirms that users are who they claim to be. Passwords have traditionally served this purpose, but stronger methods such as multi-factor authentication now add additional layer of protection. For example, logging into an account may require both a password and a verification code sent to a mobile device. This makes unauthorized access significantly more difficult. Cybersecurity professionals constantly monitor systems to detect unusual behavior. Early detection can prevent serious damage. Security analysts examine network traffic, investigate suspicious activities, and respond quickly where threats appear. Their work resembles that of digital security guards who watch over valuable assets around the world. Around the clock rather. The rise of remote work has created new cyber security challenges. Employees now connect to corporate systems from homes, cafes, and shared networks. These environments may not be as secure as office networks. Organizations must therefore train employees to recognize risks and follow safe practices, such as avoiding public Wi-Fi for sensitive tasks. Education is one of the strongest defenses against cyber threats. Many attacks succeed because people unknowingly click harmful links or download unsafe files. Awareness programs teach users how to identify suspicious messages and verify sources before sharing information. A cautious mindset can prevent many incidents before they begin. Cybersecurity also protects critical infrastructure. Power grids, transportation systems, water supplies, and communication networks rely on computers. If attackers disrupt these systems, entire communities could be affected. Governments therefore treat cybersecurity as a national security priority. As technology evolves, cyber threats evolve as well. Artificial intelligence (AI), cloud computing, and connected devices bring new opportunities but also introduce new risks. Attackers continually search for weaknesses. Attackers continually search for weaknesses. Security experts must stay ahead by researching vulnerabilities and developing stronger defenses. Cloud computing has transformed how organizations store and access data. Instead of relying solely on local servers, companies now store information in remote data centers accessed through the internet. Cloud providers invest heavily in security, but users still share responsibility for protecting accounts and managing access permissions correctly. Another growing concern is ransomware. In these attacks, criminals encrypt files and demand payment to restore access. Hospitals, schools, and businesses have experienced severe disruptions because of ransomware incidents. Backing up data regularly is one of the most effective ways to recover without paying attackers. Cybersecurity is not only technical. Ethical considerations also matter. Professionals must balance security with privacy. Monitoring systems too aggressively could invade personal rights, while weak monitoring could allow dangerous attacks. Laws and regulations attempt to create fairness and accountability in how data is collected and protected. Young people entering the workforce increasingly find cybersecurity skills valuable. Careers in cybersecurity include ethical hackers, security analysts, incident responders, and digital forensic investigators. Ethical hackers test systems by attempting to break into them legally in order to discover vulnerabilities before criminals do. Small businesses sometimes believe they are not attractive targets, but attackers often prefer them because their defenses may be weaker. A single compromised email account can lead to financial fraud or data leaks. Basic measures such as strong passwords, software updates, and employee awareness training can greatly reduce risks. Cybersecurity also affects social media usage. Fake accounts, scams, and misinformation campaigns can manipulate public opinion or exploit individuals emotionally and financially. Users must remain cautious about what they share online and who they trust. Parents face unique challenges in protecting children online. Cyberbullying, inappropriate content, and online predators require careful supervision. Teaching children digital responsibility and safe communication habits forms part of modern parenting. At this stage, if this video is educative, take a moment to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Turn on notifications so that you will not miss my next video. Engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Furthermore, if you need a thumbnail designer, a script writer, or a video producer who will be making videos like this for your channel, contact me and I'll perform the task for you efficiently, because I'm the producer of all the videos on this channel. Let us continue our discussion by examining practical cybersecurity habits that everyone can. Let us continue our discussion by examining practical cybersecurity habits that everyone can adopt. One of the simplest practices is keeping software updated. Updates often fix security weaknesses discovered by developers. Ignoring updates leave devices exposed to known vulnerabilities that attackers already understand. Strong passwords remain essential. Many people reuse the same password across multiple accounts. If one account becomes compromised, attackers may access others easily. Creating unique passwords and using password managers help maintain security without relying entirely on memory. Backing up data regularly improves protection against both cyber attacks and hardware failure. External drives or secure cloud backups ensure that important documents, photographs, and work files remain accessible even after unexpected incident. Public Wi-Fi networks present additional risks. Attackers sometimes monitor unsecure networks to intercept data. Using secure connections and avoiding sensitive transactions on unknown networks reduces exposure. Cybersecurity awareness also involves recognizing emotional manipulation. Attackers often create urgency or fear to pressure victims into acting quickly. Messages claiming that accounts will be closed immediately or prices must be claimed urgently are common tactics. Taking a moment to verify information can prevent costly mistakes. Businesses adopt layered security strategies known as defense in depth. Instead of relying on a single protective measure, they combine multiple tools such as intrusion detection systems, endpoint protection, employee training, and backup recovery plans. If one defense fails, others continue to protect the system. Incident response planning is equally important. Organizations prepare procedures for responding to breaches quickly. Rapid